traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 23rd of February 2021, and we are also going to talk about the profits that we have made for the day and what is going to be our insight for tomorrow, and where is this market going to stop and when is it going to stop falling. That is a big question everybody has. So before we get there, we first need to understand what we did today. Now, if you see, we have made a loss of 52,000, but we went ahead and then made a profit of 63,000. But if we could have holded it a bit more, we could have made somewhere around 1.5 lakhs around this. But that's not what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about this. This was the line that I had told you on the previous video, that this zone is going to be very, very critical for all of us to understand. That zone was 35,600. If I just zoom out and if you look at what it has been doing so far, it has always come to this zone and try to go up, and it has again come to this zone, and it has finally broken towards the bottom. And now the market is not yet closed, but there are only 9 minutes left for the day. But still, if you see, it is falling. The most important thing that you should also keep in mind is that Nifty has completely given up its gains, and where it's falling down is not a place that you want to catch it. So is it a falling knife? Will there be a retracement? Let us see what is going to happen. So I'm going to quickly tell you that I'm going to delete all what I've done over here and explain to you in a very simpler term right here. Do you see this particular wave before there was a huge gap out at this particular point of time? Now that line over here, the level that I can see is 35,000, guys. Remember, 35,000 is the particular last hope for this particular index to carry on what it actually brought into the table. If by any means we have a closing of an option. Now I think it is going to go towards that point and going to close at that particular price, but they are not going to let that go very easily. But remember, guys, tomorrow, if we go ahead and have a problem here sustaining this level that I have marked here on my screen, and the level is 35,100 and 34,900, we are going to see huge targets. Before the expiry, we might see a wave coming here, and during the expiry, whatever options that we are going to buy, we will be seeing what exactly happened on the last month's expiry, the monthly expiry. So my targets are going to be huge. Now remember, this is all an effort. Okay, this is all an effort and it requires a process. So you should wait for the market to give you what it's supposed to give when it gives you. Do not be greedy with the levels. Just because you're seeing a red candle, do not short. Just because you're seeing a green candle, do not buy. But have one thing in mind, that if it comes to your level, you will go crazy. Okay, so that's one thing that I want to let you know. So for tomorrow, if this particular zone is broken, I'm going to look at target for the index to be somewhere around 1,000 points as a fall for tomorrow. If it is not sustaining this zone that I've told you about, 35,064 and 34,900. So that will be a no trading zone for me tomorrow, and if that is not sustained, it is going to take a lot of time for it to come up. But remember, this can also be a reason why bulls can just get activated and pull the prices up. So if I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to be interested in CE for the next couple of days. So that's all it is over here, that I'm not going to be ready for a CE position. So the open, what I would say, the hell spit is open on the bank nifty. So everything will come towards you when you just are sitting on the right direction. So just to consolidate everything what I've spoken to you today, if you want to make similar profits live, do join us at www.rltrgroup.com, and if you want to see our analysis and see our progress, join our free Telegram channel that is listed below. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. We'll see you tomorrow once again with a spectacular video. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye bye.